Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have this professional condenser mic. This is the V8S model. So let's see what's in the box. Condenser microphone. It comes. The features are it says suitable for small recording studios for professional recording. Built-in elastic shock absorbers to prevent friction noise. Delicate warm tone. Suitable for vocal and acoustic instruments, low background noise and high acoustic pressure level. Says it's a professional recording microphone and it comes with the sound card. What do we have here? Okay, it also has internet broadcasting, voice chat, karaoke and vocal recording. So let's quickly open this box and see what we get inside. Okay, so we have this windscreen for the microphone. Build quality is not bad, good. You have this small some information about the microphone, and you have a beautiful looking condenser mic, really beautiful. Let's keep it aside and let's see what other things. Okay, yeah, this is the shock stand for the microphone. Yeah, and you would place your microphone in. Is that how it goes? Yeah. Yes. You also get this to cover the microphone, and okay, say hi to everyone. This is my daughter Amy. Say hi. Look over here up. Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
And 1 minute, darling. Okay, this is a mount for the, if you want to attach the stand to your desk, a table. Then you have this cord for the microphone.
Just black one.
And it comes with 3 cables. One is USB to micro USB, then you have this micro USB to a 3.5, yeah, I think it's 3.5 jack, plug. Again, you get 2 of these. All right, what else do we have? We also have a stand here. Yeah, very nice.
Very full.
Yeah. And you have the sound card. Now the sound card, you have this microphone volume, echo, you have bass, treble, music, recording, sound effects, tone and monitor. You also have various other options like electric sound, tone, eliminator, major. Yes, darling.
Can you give me the
Yes.
Give me that.
1 second.
You can do well.
Then dodge is, I believe, you can have the background music playing, and then once you start talking, the music should mute. So it has pretty nice features. I'm going to use it and see how it works. I actually saw a review on the YouTube. I'll put a link. The person gave a very good review, and that's what compelled me to buy this unit. So I'm going to try this and see how it works. Alright guys, thanks. Take care. Bye bye.